everyone. Oops. Gotta get in there. Hello everyone. Sorry I'm being a little quiet today. Sorry. Today we're gonna be looking at a book. This is how to write a summary. So let's hop in. I picked out a book and it is called A Little Bit Different. So this is how to write a summary on that. So I'll go on slide 10. This is the book cover. I need the link. So let's go there. A Little Bit Different by Claire Alexander and illustrated by Claire Alexander. Age rank 3 to 5 and level L. This should be easy. Here are the bloopers. We're going to do something very special together, all together. They have been practicing. I like this mate's little y'all lift. They will do it at the same time. Ready, steady, ploof. Ooh, uh-oh, what happened with this one? Wow, cool, awesome, super, mega. So cool, beautiful. Wait a minute, there's a calf. Ooh, he's getting a little rainbow. I know some people commented, actually emailed me privately, and it were some friends of mine. They asked, what does there mean? There is a contraction. Like, a contraction is there is. So that's what there means. Shoof. What's that? I don't know, but I love it. But it's different. Well, it is different. I don't like it. It's weird. Let's go. They didn't like it? Why did they like it? Oh look, there's a little stone. Wow, did you make that? It's beautiful. You think so? Yes, it's big and bright and colorful. It's so different. Well, it is different. Can you do it again? You can do it. Yay! Awesome! High five! Shoof! It's a heart for the friendship. Oh look, it left a trail of rainbow goodness. Look! Aren't they amazing? They are quite special. They really are special. Let's all shoot like you. Ready, steady, shoof. We got blue, green, blue, yellow, red, pink, yellow, green, and I might be mistaken. This could be orange, but it's under green. So I'm not really sure, but I'm just gonna say orange. Let's finish this book. Perfecto! We finished the book. So we have the book right here, just in case we need it. Okay, let's go here. I don't want to exit it, but maybe it did. Okay, let's do it. So I have a box and bullet. I have something called boxes and bullets. The title of our book is A Little Bit Different. Oh no. I'll be right back. I need to fix something. Okay, I fixed it. So the title is, let's go back. So the title is A Little Bit Different. So that's the title of the book, okay everyone? What just happened and why is this back there? Please don't mind this, everyone. Oh wait, I know why. Give me 1 second. Okay, everyone, I am really sorry about that. So the title is a little bit different. Let's hop over to the main idea. The main idea is being different is okay. So our book, the main idea of the book, the main idea is what a whole story topic or idea or content is about. And the main idea now is being different is okay, everyone. Let's see some details. The polluters are doing some details are, let's say we have a paragraph, okay? And it's about Apple. I will go and get a paragraph quickly. A small paragraph. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I found a little paragraph about dolphins here, okay? So we have the paragraph dolphins, and it shows a little picture on dolphins. Dolphins are aquatic mammals. They breathe through a blowhole on top of their head. So that little blowhole over here, it will be on top of the head. We're also learning a bit about dolphins too, I guess. Okay, let's go back to the paragraph. They have long snouts. Now, some people might say, what are snouts? Snouts mean. So, what are snouts? A snout. So, a snout is a noun. Okay, so it's kind of like this almost, but snout meaning on a dolphin. The nose and mouth of a dolphin are a similar animal. Synonyms are and related words, plus animal body parts. So basically, it's basically the nose and mouth. Either. So we have a picture of a real dolphin. This is their snout. Let's continue. Dolphins are intelligent animals that are easy to train by humans. Okay, so that tells us that dolphins are actually intelligent, or other words, smart, and are easy to be trained by humans. The dolphins are very friendly and playful. Dolphins live in groups called pods. They swim and hunt together. Dolphins communicate using sound. Okay, so the main idea of this paragraph is basically about, there are two main ideas here. Either one is right. So there are two main ideas here. And sometimes there are two main ideas in a passage. So, and other words is, and when sometimes someone says there are too many ideas, it also tells us that there are two ways of also saying it. But the author or the speaker will tell you which way. And the way that I'm going to say it is that there's two main ideas, separate main ideas, that can also be said. But anyways, dolphins. So one main idea could be about what dolphins look like. And another is what dolphins do. So that is the paragraph. So, and a detail here, a detail in this, like a detail. This is what I'm trying to say. What a detail is. A detail is So dolphins are aquatic mammals. That's a detail right there. Dolphins are intelligent animals that are easy to be trained by humans. Dolphins are intelligent animals. That's a detail right there. That tells us what a dolphin is classified as using their brains. So basically, also, let's search up what a detail means because I'm not very good at explaining. I'm sorry, guys. Detail. A detail, an individual feature, fact, or item. Okay. So that's what a detail is, everyone. I think it's time to go back to our boxes and bullets here. A deep one detail is the ploofers are doing something special, and when they do it, something is wrong with one of the ploofers, and its smoke is rainbow, and its smoke rainbow is rainbow and different instead of black smoke. That's one detail that shows us that something is wrong with a young ploofer, and that its smoke is different. Ploofer thinks what he did is special, but others think it's bad because it's different. That tells us right there that the other ploofers think that the youngling, I'm going to call the ploofer youngling because he looked very young. So the youngling thinks the rainbow smoke is actually special, but the other older ploofers think it's bad because it's different. So that's another one. And then another detail is Stone comes and says that his smoke is amazing and beautiful. Then the ploofer does it again and leaves a trail, so all the ploofers find him and actually begin to like it. Then they do it all together and never judge anyone because they're different. So they never judge anyone because they're different. That isn't exactly right, but we are making. So basically, we're making a prediction about if that's gonna happen, and that's a reasonable prediction right there, because it looks like they will never judge each other because they're different. Because it could turn out it's actually good. Okay, so it's not letting me move. I'll be right back when it works. Never mind, everyone. I'm sorry. This is happening today. Look, the snow outside because today's a snowy day, and the snow is delaying the internet on me because over here, where in my town, it's snowing a lot. The big globs of snow, so it could cause pressure to the internet cables. So I'm sorry this is happening, but let's try to make the best of it, everyone. Okay, summary. Directions are: use your completed boxes and bullets organizer in the previous slide to write a summary paragraph of the text. So an idea here, being different is okay. So I can go back to my summary, add being different is okay to the sentence because the directions are actually to use my completed boxes and bullets organizer on a previous slide to write a summary. So we can add, this is one way of doing the summary. We can add being different is okay to the front of the sentence because that will tell the reader that being different is okay, that's the main idea, and that's what they're going to learn about. We can add another one. We can add a detail, the first detail here, okay? So special, when they do it, something is wrong with one of the ploofer smoke. And its smoke is rainbow, and its smoke is rainbow, and different instead of black smoke. So we can add that detail also in our summary because we're making this boxes and bullets organizer to actually be able to write the summary, guys. Because the main idea is being different is okay. So and the details are here. So we will write down some details in the main idea, and then we can add it to a summary and make it make sense. Okay. And when they do it, something is wrong, and yada yada yada. And then next sentence is, unusual Pluffer thinks, the youngling thinks, what he did is special, but the others think it's bad because it's different. Stone comes, this should be capital. I made this weeks ago. That was very drowny. So don't mind that, please. Stone comes and says that the smoke is amazing and beautiful. Then the Pluffer does it again and leaves the trail, so the other Pluffers find him and actually begin to like it. And they all do it together and never judge anyone because they're different. That doesn't tell us the whole entire story. Because it also has, the story has a lot of details. But this is not a story. And then of course right here we have the book cover and then a link to the book. Thank you for joining me, everyone, today. I really appreciate that you guys are joining me today. I know it's been 16 minutes, but this should actually, I'm buying your time so you actually know. See ya! Oh, and also, I'm right back. So, I got cut off there because of my internet. So I'm buying you time so you can see how to actually make a very good summary. Thank you.